FitDesk sent me the washer, nut, and bolt, and they actually fit pretty well. Here I have 2 of the 4 already inserted. The only trick about it is a little hard to get into. You actually have to screw it in. They don't slip in very easily. So after this, you just keep on screwing it in to get it in. And it gets there eventually. It keeps on spinning, but that's alright. I guess the good thing about that is it won't come off as you put on the washer and the nut, but you will still need a screwdriver for the other end, as you'll need to have. I can't do this with 2 hands, without 2 hands. Anyways.